Hello, my name is J.W. Peters with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today we're going to be talking about microinverters. In the solar industry, there's two main types of inverters. You have a string inverter, which will collect all of the power from your solar panels and convert it into AC power in one point. That's called a string inverter. Or what we use, which are microinverters, and these microinverters are actually located under every single solar panel that you have. And they convert from DC power into AC power at the solar panel level. And the reason why we think this is so important is it provides some redundancy for your system. Keep in mind, if you have 20 solar panels on your home and you've got 20 microinverters, if for some reason one of these microinverters were to go out and needs to be replaced, well, then you're going to lose 5% of your system instead of losing 100% of your system with the string inverter. So Kevin and I made the conscious decision about 2 years ago to move over to these in-phase microinverters, and we have definitely been 100% pleased with the results. They come with a 25-year warranty. They have the best monitoring software in the industry, and all in all, it's just a very robust, very good product. If you have any questions about microinverters or Solar Power of Oklahoma, or even just solar in general, please go to our website or to our YouTube channel to learn more about solar. Thank you.